All right, we'll go live here. We'll get started in a couple minutes, so hang tight. All right, everybody. Good afternoon, wherever you're at in the world. I'm not streaming this in all of the groups. I'm just kind of streaming it in a trading group that I set up several years ago. And what I want to try to do today is kind of go over a little bit about the impulse scanner and also all the resources available to you when you join our team. And I know there's a ton of people in this particular group that are already members, which is absolutely fantastic. So let me go get started because I want to show you all the resources we have. I want to show you the impulse scanner because our team is having some amazing success. So for those that know me, I'm not a big go live person, but I've definitely gone getting a little more comfortable after the last couple that I have done, just because I want to be able to try to reach and help more people. Our team is having some great success, and that's really the ultimate goal for me because I joined this team 6.5 years ago. I know how to trade. We started with smart money. We still do smart money. And then we realized that some folks sometimes need a tool, a resource, etc., to kind of help them, guide them to learning how to trade successfully. So we partnered with this impulse scanner that you see on this screen. All right. Any questions that you might have, just obviously post in the Q&A. If I don't get to it on the live, I'll absolutely answer after the go live. Okay. So, or go live. It's not really go live. It's my live. So anyway, this is the impulse scanner. What this tool does is help determine trend, whether it's going to continue to trend up or trend down. All right. And this is pretty basic, for members of the team. You guys already kind of know a little bit about this and are knocking it out of the park. So I've heard a lot of success stories this past week on the impulse scanner, as well as a lot of smart money trades. So we're a team going on year 8. And I've been with the team 6.5 years, 7 years in November. And one of the best decisions that I've ever made. Because basically my online career has been mostly building websites, selling websites, flipping, affiliate marketing, all that good stuff. And then I found this team 6.5 years ago. And full disclosure, it took me a little bit to join because I knew nothing about trading. So the beauty about our trading team now is we have 3 specific strategies that we teach. All right. We teach the smart money that we've always taught, right? And sometimes there's a bigger learning curve for smart money for some folks. Some people can pick it up pretty quickly. Some people take a little longer. And then we have 2 strategies with this impulse scanner that you see. One is a scalping strategy, and another one is for a longer term smart money fair value gap strategy. And we've kind of really dialed it in as a team now because obviously we've generally been smart money, but sometimes we teach a little bit about bankers candles, and I don't even remember what strategy we started to focus on. But when we dialed it into smart money, that's when we started to have a lot of members being successful. And the ones that were kind of falling through the cracks were the ones that just had a longer learning curve to get it. So now what we're kind of seeing, once we've partnered with this particular impulse scanner, is people are starting to see the charts better. They're seeing the patterns. So it's not only using this impulse scanner, but it's also helping folks see smart money moves. So it's kind of an amazing combination. And as we enter year 8 as a team, our team's anniversary, I believe, was March the 4th, I believe. So we've started year 8. So for those that have never seen this scanner or have seen this scanner and are using it successfully, I can't tell you how special this group and this tool is, and we are just rocking and rolling. So here's generally how the scanner works. Now, obviously, we have some in-depth training, and the beauty about this on the training, as I get sidetracked for my first time, is with Smart Money, and you'll see because I'm going to show you our team website, is, there's some content, there's some videos to watch. Well, with this scalping strategy, the first one, it's generally less than 2 hours. That's it. And then you can go practice. So people are taking trades, and we always recommend, always. I could tell you hundreds of stories of people going live too soon. We want you to practice on demo, period. Demo trading first. All right? You do not go live. I've heard story after story after story on folks that are going live like the first day. Okay? We do not recommend you do that. No. Okay? So, this is the impulse scanner. This is the alert panel up here. All right? 1 minute, 5 minute, 15, 30, 1 hour, 4 hour daily. You can do forex. You can do, look at that, metals. You can do crypto. You can do indices. And believe it or not, I had somebody ask today about stocks. We can do stocks. Okay? That's the power of this tool. All right? So the basic strategy, I'm not going to do necessarily a full training, but the scalping strategy is basically 4 steps. All right? Step 1 is identify pairs where the strength obviously is a higher number than a lower number, like 7, and all the time frames from 1 minute to 1 hour. 4 hours is an extra point in our favor, and so is the daily. 1 minute to 1 hour. Step 1. All right? And by the way, for this strategy, we kind of focus on 1 minute and 5 minute. Okay? Step 2. Go back to the 1 minute. Step 2. This is a macro trend arrow. When that appears, we have 2 hours to potentially identify a trade. All right? Now, the markets are obviously closed. It's Saturday. This is the 1 minute. That macro just started. Okay? Step 3. We are looking for, because the trend is down, we are looking for 4 arrows against trend, blue candle going up, that reverse trend. 4. Okay? We're looking for a reversal. When we get those 4, all right, the very first candle that comes back down, in this particular case red, and with a red arrow, boom, we get in. Okay? Boom. So step 1, 1 to 1 hour going in the same trend. Step 2, macro. Step 3, 4 candles, reverse, in this case blue arrows, right? And then the very first candle that reverses with a red arrow, boom, we get in. Now you're thinking to yourself, wait, really? It's that easy? Yes. Ask yourself, do you think you could do that? This is for, and again, we have brand new people, we have some experienced people, and we have very experienced traders that are trading this, okay, that are using this impulse scanner for one of the 3 strategies that we have. But just this brand new one, we have experienced traders trading and scalping. It's freaking amazing, okay? So, and obviously, we do 1 minute and 5 minute. Now, the fair value gap strategy, we obviously can use higher time frames, all right? And then we have smart money, and I'm going to show you that here in a little bit, okay? So the bread and butter is right here, this impulse scanner, all right? Now, when you join us as a team, because obviously you can see this, we partner with the Academy, all right? The Academy is going on 10 years, all right? 10. Now, let me tell you something. If there weren't success story after success story, they wouldn't be around 10 years. So we're a team going on 8, and they're around 10. There's nobody that does what we do. Nobody. Nothing compares to the resources that you get when you plug in to our specific team. Okay? So, let me show you some of those resources. Okay? So first of all, this is obviously inside the Academy, and I'm not going to cover everything, but I kind of wanted to show you a couple things here. So, these are the educators that teach you how to trade in forex, all right, at the Academy. Yeah. Yep. That's a lot. Now, they all have to be vetted, right? They just don't hire any Joe Blow off the street. Hey, you can teach trading. No. You actually have to know something, be vetted, show that you can trade over a period of time, and then you can become an educator. Now, the educators we focus on, all right, and they're all very good. And I've listened to some others. They're very good. They're excellent, in fact. Okay? And this person here, by the way, is from our personal team, by the way. Camille, if I'm saying it correctly. But anyway, so for smart money, because we do teach smart money, we've been doing this on year 8, and a lot of people in this group are familiar who this is. Rak Kumar, okay, goes 5 times a week. And by the way, all these are recorded, okay? So if you can't make it live, right, because, so we're an excuse type of society sometimes, and when you help build the team as long as I've been building, I've heard every reason and excuse in the world, okay? And I've kind of like taken this new mantra that this is a no excuse. I've heard every reason. This is a no excuse zone. All right? None. Don't want to hear it? None. Okay? So they're all recorded if you can't make it live. All right? And obviously, for people in the States, Rock's doing a London Open. 2 a.m. I'm in Chicago, 2 a.m. Central Time. All right? And let me find, there's a couple others. Hopefully I don't, Stephen Linzori's been there forever. I mean, he's a fantastic trader. Mike Neveretti is very good. So these guys, we also follow Smart Money, Zachary Hogan and Jordan Morgan. Okay? Smart Money. All right? But our primary with the Impulse Scanner is these 2 gentlemen right here. All right? The 3 times a day. Okay? Except for Friday. 3 times a day. I'm always getting notifications. Oh, about to go live. Oh, about to go live. Oh, about to go live. You get access to these guys and the recordings 3 times a day. Unbelievable. Okay? And then, obviously, you can see that this is where you come in. You can ask questions here in a live chat. I mean, for those that were in the Academy a few years ago, and it was good then, it's just amazing now. And, of course, you can see all these recordings that you can plug into. I mean, it's... And favorite sessions that they mark, they even did a boot camp. Okay, look, macro trend arrow, right? We just talked about it. All right? So you get all that. Oh, wait, look at all this. Oh, my goodness. It's almost information overload, right? Oh, my goodness. Look at all this. Absolutely mind-blowing. I'm moving so fast, my computer's slowing down. Okay? So talk about value, right? Because, the excuse zone that I hear is, the 184, because it's 184 monthly. Ooh, that's a little tough. What I try to tell people is, this is your heating and electric bill, right? So you want to make sure that that's how important it is, because it could change your future. But it's like $5-6 a day, or let's say $7 a day, $6 a day. Sorry, can't add today. $6 a day. Instead of 3 Starbucks coffees, get 2, you're in, and it could potentially change your future. So for 184, okay, the Academy blows away in value, okay? But that's not all you get, okay? When you join our particular team, you get access to our private Facebook group. Okay? And this is a private Facebook group. And no, if you see this and you're not a member, you can't get in. We check. Okay? All right? You can't just try to get in. And obviously, members helping members. Okay? Welcoming folks. That's even me welcoming somebody in. Diane, if you're watching this. Hello, hello, hello. Anyway. And so you get access to this private Facebook group. Okay? And we, definitely do some live videos in here, an overview, welcome folks to the family. And if you saw, where did I miss it? Actually, I saved it. This is where we send you to. We call it the process sheet. Okay? We have you watch a couple videos. We have you watch one of our leaders, Jason's Millionaire Mindset. Let me tell you about this. Okay? This is underrated. Underrated as to the value that you get here, because too many people are, let me get to the strategy. Instead of preparing your mindset and your goals to trade. Underrated. Okay? So we have you go through that. Unit 1, Video 1, and I'll show you that here in a second. And then we have the strategy number 1. Remember, I told you at the beginning of this video, we have 3 strategies. Strategy number 1, impulse arrow scalping method. Some videos here. Okay? So we direct you exactly where to go. This one, how to journal properly when scalping. Now, you'll see in our training is we want you to do a journal. There's only 2 ways you fail with us. 1 is quit. 2, you don't follow what we lay out to do, right? And you'd be surprised the number of people that don't want to journal. And I'm telling you, it's so important to journal your trades before you become a successful trader. And because we have you submitted to leadership, in fact, I'm reviewing one journal today, and not because what we'll give you feedback on, it's what you're going to notice about your trading. It's what you're going to notice when you're trading. Okay? So we want you to do a journal, and we show you, we give you an example journal, and we have you journal 25 trades on practice, which for scalping can be done pretty quickly. You submit it. You'll see your wins, your losses. You'll mark that. You'll give it to a leader. You'll say, okay, this is the feedback I'm going to give you. But I guarantee you most people have feedback to me after they review their own journal. Okay? And then obviously we have a strategy that uses the fair value gap. All right? And there's some additional videos and training. Okay? And obviously some testimonials. And then we have obviously smart money that is in our team website. So this is the process sheet that we have you follow. All right? This is our team website. All right? We built this out and away from the community. Okay? And the reason we did that is we want you to be successful. It is not a sign up. Not for me. We want you to be successful. There are so many people here who can vouch for the fact that as a coach, I will get on you, I will challenge you, I will praise you, because I want you to be successful. I know how to trade. I'm trying to help you be a trader, and a good one. All right? So our leadership built out this team website. All right? And obviously you can see buttons here. And then we have a calendar. And look what we put on the calendar. Computer running a little slow. Let me take a drink of my Mountain Dew. Look at that. We got it all. We got it all set up for you. All right? And then people who are on my part of the team who kind of come through the team through me, I actually add you to a Telegram and provide some additional resources. Okay? Anything to help you become successful. So this is the whole calendar for April. All right? Our team leader goes, and some of this is in here. A couple of our leaders, motivation, inspiration. I think that's on Tuesday, right? Yeah, Tuesday. Friday, they review the week. Our Michael on Saturday or Sunday will go live, always teaching, always doing something. All right. Recordings, we do Q&As on Tuesday and Thursdays. All right. This past week we didn't do it because there is a team event, but we're back at it on Tuesday, the 15th. So these are our Q&As. We do them Tuesday and Thursday. All right. And I'm going to show you. All that stuff here in a second on how to get questions posted. And then again, here's our unit section based on smart money. And literally, it's a unit section. All right, I'm not going to go through the entire unit section, but you get the idea. Okay? And that's it. Now, finally, and this is something that if you were part of our team earlier and looking at us again, we've had this for the last couple years, is our Discord community. Members helping members. All right? And we've got it locked in now. Locked in. By the way, this Curtis, that's my guy. Somebody I brought on board. Sergey, my guy. Somebody I brought on board. Okay? And we're a team of over 6,000 folks. All right? Fantastic. And look at this. He's waiting on a Bitcoin trade. Boom. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So anyway, sorry, I get excited. So as you can see, we have categories. We have categories for all three of the strategies, right? Smart money, the scalping, all right, the fair value gap, and then we have a wins channel where people post their wins. And look at this. Win after win after win after win, okay? And people will post. There's so many people that don't post. They just winning trades. But you could scroll for days on the amount and number of winning trades. Okay? And then we have a section called questions, which is something in here. All right? Now, the questions are posted here if you can't make Tuesday and Thursday live. Okay? And you need a question answered. Now, most questions that, for me, you just reach me personally and I'll get the question answered. But if you want one of the four main leaders, you just post your questions. And then on Tuesday, Thursday when it starts, guess what? They're going to answer every single question from this group first, then everybody in the live that has questions. So that's Q&As. All right? And then obviously some impulse training and some mindset motivation. All right? That is the resources you get when you join our amazing community. I mean, what can I say? We're a special group. So that's it for now. I'll probably do this in my main area of Facebook here soon. But I just kind of wanted to show my group. You're seeing this in my particular trading group that I have set up to try to provide value, some resources, etc. So that's pretty much it. If you like it, if you see this on anything else, YouTube, TikTok, whatever, hey, if you like, great. Don't like, thumbs down. Got questions? Post it where you see this video. If you're interested in joining us, reach me. I can actually place you in a particular group with more content to learn more about us, the team, the strategy, etc. Okay? That is all. Love you guys. Have a great weekend.